Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Carta Equity Management Review My Usage Experience. Carta Equity Management Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive review and analysis of equity holdings managed through the Carta platform. It's primarily targeted at individuals and companies using Carta for equity management, needing a clear overview and assessment of their portfolio's performance and health. Key features likely include reporting, valuation analysis, and perhaps comparative benchmarks. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Their website details the various reporting options and analytical tools available. They highlight ease of use through a user-friendly dashboard and emphasize the accuracy and timeliness of their data. Pricing details are available upon request, although they mention a commitment to transparency and the absence of hidden fees. The service appears to leverage Carta's existing data infrastructure for its analysis. Availability is, of course, limited to those already utilizing the Carta platform for equity management. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Carta Equity Management Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly smooth. I simply logged into my existing Carta account and accessed the review feature, no extra sign-up or complicated onboarding process. The interface was intuitive, with a well-organized dashboard displaying key metrics like overall portfolio value, individual investment performance, and potential tax implications. I was particularly impressed by the custom reporting feature. I easily generated a report tailored to my needs, highlighting specific investments and their performance over a custom timeframe. The system was fast and responsive, providing results almost instantly. I had a quick question about interpreting one specific metric, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a clear and helpful explanation. A standout feature for me was definitely the clear visualization of data. Graphs and charts made it easy to understand complex financial information. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Access was limited to desktop browsers. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Carta Equity Management Review. It provided me with a clear and concise overview of my equity holdings, allowing me to make more informed decisions about my investments. That's my overview of Carta Equity Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.